Hi guys, NCWQ here, and I'm looking at Google Earth, and I have put in place marks for all of the areas where there have been earthquakes today in California, so we can start up here and see that we had a 2.2, and that was in between Little Salmon Fault and the Rust Fault. We would back out, we go over here, and this is Lake Almanor. We can see that there was a 2.3, a 2.1, a 2.9, a 2.6, and a 2.2. We back up from there, and over here by Steamboat Springs volcano, there was a 2.1. This is Nevada area. This is Reno here. If we go over here, you can see there was a 2.0, and that's near Clear Lake volcano. That is on the Caliami Fault. Moving on down, we had a 2.1. The 2.1 is near the, hang on, got the wrong one here, is nearest to the San Andreas Fault. Then we have a 2.2, and that's also next to the San Andreas Fault. We move on down, we had a 2.4, and this here is the San Simeon Fault Zone. All the way down here, this is the Santa Rosa Island Fault Zone. And this is Harris Point Essential Fish Habitat. We had a 2.1 Santa Barbara Channel, California. And then down here, this is Baja California. There was a 2.2 and another 2.2. So those are the ones for California area. Anyways, you guys, just a real quick update. Much love.